Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working in my Erin Condren Life Planner. I'm using it as a memory keeping journal more than a planner. I take pictures throughout the week and then I print them off on my Canon Selfie, and I just use one sheet of full boxes from Cute Cut Craft. It's a Canadian online Etsy shop where they make all different types of sticker kits for all different planners. So I'm using my stickers in the Erin Condren Vertical, and you can get them for other companies as well. So I'm just adding a few other stickers in from some of the regular sort of sticker books that I've bought at Michael's as well. This was a family heavy week. My brother is in from out of town, so I definitely wanted to capture all the events that were happening surrounding that. We had a lot of family time. My daughter had a sleepover for her girlfriend's birthday, so I have these cute stickers here with a little sleepover. She gave her friend a sleeping mask, so that little guy is actually perfect for that. And then we had some games nights and we had some family dinners. So I've got stickers and little notes. At the bottom of each day, I've journaled some of the highlights of what we've done that day. And it captures a little bit of the details and personal facts about the day. So the 2020 was my way of actually capturing my first volleyball game of the new year. So I took the scoreboard and I put it to 2020 and put the volleyball beside it there. That was a fun night, a good night to start off the new year. We had good competitive games that day. We also had a lot of snow this week in the city. So that picture is one of me at work, and I just snapped it in my car. You can still see the snow that's on my jacket there. That's how much snow was blowing around that day. It was particularly snowy. So I'm also using the side box there to put some journaling in on the sidebar. And there was my code there, Tony15. If you want to get 15% off your order at Cute Cut Craft, you can use my special order code. This actual full box sheet that I used to make this entire spread, I just used the one sheet and it was $3. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.